Hey YouTube, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own card game, whether you want to use it for game night, or you want to use it for girls night in, or you just want to make your own game cards so that you can sell them online as a business. This is the right video for you. Let's go.
Let's go.
Video today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put together my own version of King's Cup, but I call it Queen's Cup. So in this video I'm going to be making a Queen's Cup board. Hurry up sis, get your paint, get your colors. You guys can check the description box for the materials being used in this video today, and let's go. This is the King's Cup board that I made last year. Now this year I'm making my own game called Queen's Cup. I'm using some rules from this previous board and some rules I made up on my own. You guys do not have to do a board. I just like visuals and presentations because people will swear that you cheating at your own card game. Okay, so here's the board. I just finished painting it. Now it's time for glitter. Okay, so I've already gotten these images off of Cricut, had them cut and put onto transfer paper. You have to use permanent adhesive vinyl when you are putting vinyl on glass so that it'll stick forever. Just as a sidebar, yes, you can use the Mod Podge to seal in your design, but remember with Mod Podge, it has to curate for at least 28 days, so keep that in mind. Okay YouTube, so don't worry about that Mod Podge glue on the glass. It will dry clear. If you are watching my video up to this point, I really appreciate that. So go ahead and click that bell and subscribe to my channel. Join Team Lola so you guys don't miss any of my videos. Okay, so I don't have screen record right now with this computer. So basically you're going to put in 2.5 by 3.5 inches to create your design because that's the size for playing cards. Okay, so you're going to come to a screen like this. I'm going to go ahead and go to backgrounds. Ooh, I like this. Okay, it looks like a card. And then I'm going to go to elements. Bam. I'm going to type in queen. I already got queen. I'm going to get her. She looks lit. Then I'm going to go to edit image and remove the background. I'm adjusting the image to the card and okay, boom. Now I'm going to add a frame and I'm going to add a crown on top of her head in elements. And I'm going to go ahead and add some text. I'm going to do the Q first, add another text to put the other words in, change the font and the color. I'm going to copy and paste the first font so it's the same size, same font, same everything. I'm going to adjust that. Boom. I'm going to go to shapes. I'm going to grab this shape. I'm going to turn it white. This will be the back of my card with the rules on it. I'm going to adjust this, fix it, stretch it out. Boom. I'm going to add more text, find your king. Then I'm going to go back to elements on backgrounds, type in crown. And where is it? Okay, boom. I got this. Now I'm going to stretch that out. And then I am going to hit my back thing and send it to the back. And now that I have the front and back of the card is lit, these are my cards that I've already customized to put together. This is how they look side by side. Then you're going to go to MPC and you're going to go to traditional playing cards. The link for this is also below. And I'm doing the front first, so I want everything to be the same image. I had to use somebody else, y'all, because the other lady, you had to pay for her. And then I'm going to go ahead and upload those designs. This is the back, and that's it. And this is how the card will come out. And then all you have to do is print from this website, and they have bulk deals. And this is the end result. It is super lit. I cannot wait to try out and test the new game.
Honey, I see you looking
at me. I'm ready.
I have just ordered my custom cards. I'm going to show you guys how the custom cards came out in my next video. If you're interested in checking out the game that I created for myself and you want to play it with your own friends, or you just want to get an idea of what you can do when you get ready to create your own game, then you guys can check out the description for the links below, and you can also check this out on my Pinterest page. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.